Day 10. Guided Meditation for Embracing Self-Compassion. Welcome to your 10th day of meditation. Reaching this point shows your dedication to nurturing your inner self. Today, we'll focus on self-compassion, learning to treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a dear friend. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting upright or lying down. Let your body relax, and when you're ready, softly close your eyes or lower your gaze. Step 1. Grounding with the breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing the air to expand your chest and belly. And a slow, steady breath out through your mouth, releasing any tension. Again, inhale deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs. And exhale, letting your body soften with each out-breath. Now, let your breath find a natural, easy rhythm. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out. Each breath is an anchor, bringing you into the present moment. Step 2. Acknowledging your humanity. As you sit here, take a moment to recognize that being human means having both strengths and struggles. It's natural to make mistakes, to feel challenged, or to experience moments of doubt. Silently remind yourself, I am human and I am enough. Feel the truth of these words settling gently within you. Step 3. Practicing self-compassion. Now, bring to mind a moment when you felt critical of yourself. It could be something small, like a mistake at work, or something that felt larger, like struggling to meet a goal. Instead of judging yourself, imagine speaking to yourself as you would to a close friend. You might say, "It's okay. Everyone feels this way sometimes. I am doing my best, and that is enough." Notice how the shift in perspective feels in your body. Perhaps there's a softening in your chest or a lightness in your mind. Step 4. A compassionate visualization. Now, place your hand gently over your heart. Imagine a warm, glowing light emanating from this space. This light represents compassion, kind, supportive energy that you're directing toward yourself. With each inhale, imagine this light growing brighter and warmer. With each exhale, feel it spreading throughout your body, offering comfort and ease. Silently repeat, I am worthy of kindness and compassion. I treat myself with care and understanding. Feel this light surrounding you, a constant reminder that you can be your own source of comfort. Step 5. Closing with gratitude. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Take a moment to feel gratitude for yourself, for showing up today, and for the effort you've made over the past 10 days. This journey is a gift you've given to yourself, and it's one that will continue to grow. Silently repeat to yourself, I am grateful for this practice. I am learning and growing every day. When you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, gently bringing your awareness back to the room. Open your eyes slowly, carrying this sense of compassion with you into the rest of your day. Final thoughts. You've completed your 10th meditation, a milestone worth celebrating. Practicing self-compassion strengthens your ability to face life's challenges with kindness and resilience. As you continue your meditation journey, remember that this is a space where you can return to yourself with understanding and care. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.